Exploring the Whistler Trainwreck is a unique and fun hike that isn't very taxing. It makes for some pretty memorable photo opportunities with its interesting juxtaposition of colorful and crumpled train cars set against the forest. Thanks to the construction of the suspension bridge a few years ago, the site is much safer and easier to access than it had been in the past. While you can access and connect to the trail from a number of different areas, the main parking lot is located near the Chickamus Crossing neighborhood. It'll get you there in about 2 kilometers return without significant elevation changes. This is one of my favorite Whistler gems, as it's equal part outdoor gallery mixed with some interesting local history. The train derailed in 1956. The freighter had been heading south from Lillooet and was trying to make up for an earlier delay. It came into an area under track repair well above the speed limit, which caused the accident. The wreck has puzzled many visitors because the boxcars lie far away from the tracks, and yet they are surrounded by trees without any obvious damage to them. As a matter of fact, the wreck actually occurred a bit further up the rails. At the time, the derailed cars had been blocking the track and was causing significant problems for the railroad. The railroad was able to enlist the help of a local family-run logging company. They were able to assist by using their tractors to drag the ruined boxcars off the track. They were moved up and into the forest a ways, where they've remained ever since. In recent times, it's become a popular spot for graffiti artists, mountain bikers, and just a popular visiting spot for locals and visitors alike. Have fun exploring this unique location, and if possible, try to explore it with a unique person or two.
1, 2, 3, 4.